3 days into summer, and what a great opportunity to get out and demonstrate some fleet washing, boat washing, truck washing, train washing equipment powered by Sutner. So I just wanted to talk about what we have here, and we'll demonstrate the system. So we're not going to talk soaps and detergents. I'll leave that up to you in relation to what you would like to discharge, but even soft washing in relation to external buildings and dwellings of that particular nature. So we've got a couple of 10 metre hoses set up. So if we have a dedicated wash bay and you have quite a number of systems or vehicles, whatever they are, that need cleaning, a particular system like this could suit you. So what we have here is a 15 amp system. So ideally, if we're going to run a system like this, upping that to 3 phase would even have more benefit and more grunt. So we have a 2.2 kilowatt 15 amp electric motor. We have a metering valve, a various controlled metering valve, which is an ST160. And then we have the foaming gun, which is a ST75. So just a low flow, low pressure setup here, into pump in relation to pressure cleaning setup. We're only 10 litres a minute and 1700 PSI. So we'll inject some foam onto this vehicle. Now the system is set up that in a wash bay you would probably have 2 hose reels. So you would have one dedicated to the foam head and then one for a rinse hose or rinse nozzle. So we'll fire it up and we'll give you a bit of a demonstration. Variable metering valve, so we're able to control the amount of foam that we would like. So it's basically continuous, very commercial orientated, and this particular system will foam as long as you've got your soaps, surfactants at your suction inlet. So very, very quick in relation to application. If we're in that wash bay, we'd have a couple of nice hose reels, and then we can flick over the same pressure cleaning system and we can rinse that off after our allocated dwell time. So this is a particular system powered once again by Sutner, the ST160 metering valve and the ST75 foam head. 1700 PSI, 10 litres a minute. Any more information, you can get us at bluetongueindustries.com.au, and that's bluetongueindustries.com.au, or the landline is 1300 88 4566. Appreciate you watching. We're just going to give this a rinse off and continue on the other side. See you on the next video. Sutner. Fantastic. So after our dedicated dwell time, And if we wanted to take this one step further, we could hook up and do a pure water rinse, especially if you're in those harder water areas and you want that spot-free finish. That would be the ultimate clean. So you can talk to us about that too in regards to reverse osmosis ionic systems products and the application of those in regards to your spot-free cleaning when those minerals and elements with the various TDS levels around Australia are going to leave you with those remnants of the mineral content on the vehicle.